In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable customer sign-off on quotations in Odoo. If you want your customers to confirm quotations quickly and professionally, turning on online signatures is a very useful feature. It allows customers to review a quotation online and sign it electronically, which helps speed up approval and keeps the process simple for both sides. To begin, open the Sales app in Odoo. This is where you'll manage your sales settings, quotations, and customer documents. Once you're inside the Sales app, go to the Configuration menu and then open Settings. This area contains the main options that control how your sales workflow behaves. In the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Quotations and Orders section. Here, look for the option called Online Signature. This setting allows customers to sign quotations digitally when they receive them. Enable this option so the feature becomes available in your sales process. After turning it on, click Save. This step is important because if you leave the page without saving, the change won't be applied. Once the settings are saved, Odoo is ready to use online signature on quotations. Next, go to the Orders menu and open Quotations. From here, you can either create a new quotation or open an existing one that you want to send to a customer. Before sending it, make sure that online signature is enabled for that quotation. This ensures the customer will be able to sign it when they open it online. Once everything looks correct, send the quotation to the customer. Usually this is done through Odoo's built-in quotation sending option, which gives the customer access to the document through an online view. Make sure the quotation details are complete and accurate before sending, since the customer will be reviewing exactly what you've prepared. When the customer receives the quotation, they can open it online, review the contents, and sign it electronically to confirm it. This creates a smoother approval process and can help reduce delays compared to manual confirmation methods. That's all it takes to enable customer sign-off on quotations in Odoo. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to test the process with a sample quotation first, so you can see exactly how the signing experience looks from the customer's side. Thanks for watching.